my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. Welcome to July. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So today we're going to be talking about reviewing and giving away a Juvia's Place Olori 1 palette. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Is what she looks like. She's so pretty. I'll let you kind of know further on in the video what you need to do in order to win your brand new one of these. Biggest thing is be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. So this is the palette that I did use to create today's look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk a little bit about the palette, do some swatches, do 2 different looks, and let you know my final thoughts and all of that sort of goodness. So this is the eyeshadow palette that we are giving away for the month of July. So the Olori one is a 6-pan palette from Juvia's Place. It does retail for $15. So Olori does mean Queen of Yoruba, which is a tribe in Western Africa. So Juvia's Place says, embrace your beauty with Juvia's Place Olori eyeshadow palette, which consists of a mix of 6 rich blue, aquamarine, and orange tone shadows. They say that they blend flawlessly on all skin tones. I've had really good luck with the Juvia's Place formula in the past. I have really loved. Let's get into a couple of the swatches and then we'll get into those looks and let you know my final thoughts and what you need to know for the giveaway. So these 2 are pressed pigments, the rest are all eyeshadows. So this one here is kind of this aquamarine shimmer. You've got this matte, kind of dark mustard shade. And you've got kind of this aquamarine here of a green matte. You got this shimmer here on this mustard shade down here in the corner. And then this blue that shifts from a blue to a purple to almost a green. It's so pretty. It is what I have on the kind of outer third of my eye today. I mean, look at that. It's just, look how it shifts. I hope the camera's picking this up. And I would say this is more like a terracotta matte here. There are the 6 shades. Okay, let's get into the 2 looks and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. So I think that for today I want to do kind of mainly a green look. Let's take this one here. There's no names on them. And I put that in the outer corner crease and then blend that up a little bit. I am taking it on a rougher 01. Starting with the outer corner. Look how pigmented that is. Yes. Okay, now let's blend that out. This brush doesn't have a number. It is an SL Miss Glam brush. Just kind of blend that out. Always doing small circular strokes going upwards and outwards. I do want to go ahead and put this one a little bit above what we already did, and I am taking that on a Lexi 121 mini tapered. Very lightly, and then I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to take this one, I think, all over the lid. That's that one that switches a little bit from like blue, purple, green. So let's start by just using our fingers first. And then I want to take this one here, kind of more on the inner corner. Ooh, I really, really like that shade. Let's get a brush so we can get into that very inner corner. I wet my brush. I'm going to take this green and just run it under the lower lash. Stay with that outer corner and then bring whatever left in. Okay, let me go put on some mascara and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. I love this one. Be right back with my next look. So I think I want to go with mainly this blue shade here in the outer portion and then put this one here on the inner portion as our main colors for today. So I'm going to take this dark green here just to build up kind of a base and just take that in the crease and a little bit above on the outer 2/3 here. And I'm just placing the product right now. This is on a rougher 01. Okay, and then let's blend that a little bit. Now let's take this kind of mustard shade here on the inner third. Just blend that up a little bit. Don't forget to come up right on that inner corner too. Okay, and I've wetted my brush and I'm going to take this. It's such a pretty shade. And all over that outer 2/3. And now on the other side of the brush, let's take this one here, just on the inner third. I think I'm basically going to follow what I did on the top, also on the bottom. So take this in the outer 2/3. Now let's take this one here on the inner third. Okay, let me go put on some mascara and lips and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. So which of the looks were your favorite? I think this one was mine. I love multi-chromes and this one here is just, it's so pretty, so stunning. And I don't think the camera is doing it justice. How it switches from green to blue to purple is just really, really pretty. So I didn't have any problems with the palette. I didn't have any fallout. They last all day like the typical Juvia's Place palettes do. I really, really like this one. Would highly recommend it. So the secret word for this giveaway is firework. In the description box down below is a Google form link, and make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify if yes, you are subscribed to the channel, and don't forget to put that secret word on the Google form as well. You can get bonus entries, and how you get bonus entries is one, if you go follow me on Instagram, that's BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Two, your second way is if you go follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB followed by the number 1. And your third way to get a bonus entry is if you share this video. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your help. So when you guys share the videos, it does really help out the channel a lot when you do so. So if you do those things, or one of them, or two of them, or if you do all three of them, or none of them, whatever. If you do them, mark on your Google form that you did do them. You don't have to fill out multiple entries. Just fill out the one entry, and then mark if you did do those things. Make sure that you did do them if you mark them, because I do check. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. I just love it when I can make somebody else happy. And speaking of which, I've got a big giveaway coming up because we hit that 1,700 subscribers, so that'll be up shortly, so be on the lookout for that in the next couple days as well. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through August 5th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on August 10th, what I'll do is I'll take out from the Google Forms first name, first initial of your last name. And if you did the bonus entries and everybody's doing what they're supposed to be doing, I'll put all that information into my computer. The computer spins it around, the computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over and I've mailed out all the prizes, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. Nobody else has access to those forms but me. I don't sell your information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It's just easier for me to mail out the prizes when it comes time for it. So if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do quite a few giveaways every month, and I want you guys to be involved in that. If you like this video, give it a big like. It does really help out the channel when you do so. I hope that you guys have a fabulous rest of your day. Have a happy 4th of July if you're in the United States. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck on the giveaway. Woo!